this is Carlton from Jamaica Works. We do all 4 phases of construction, residential, commercial. We are doing a water heater, 50-gallon gas water heater, remove and reset, expansion tank, PRV valve. We got everything cleared out. This is the old water heater. Our new one, PRV valve, expansion tank. Okay, so we are done. Expansion tank, fittings, new PRV, water heater lit. Water's doing good. Pressure, it's at 57, 58, so that's pretty good. Give us a call, check us out on all the social media platforms. Check out our website. All right, have a good day. God bless.